I, Sneeze again. Hey, puppies. I saw it.
Oh, Mom sent one?
Yep. Both of us. Sneeze again. Oh. Sneeze extremely loud if you have to. Sneeze again. Just saw something down the wrong way. Did you swallow something down the wrong way? Did you?
Sir?
You swallowed something down the wrong way?
Something, I don't know what.
Okay.
Hush!
Hey, Ellie. He's extremely loud. Hey, Melly. Hey, Ellie. Okay. Hey, Bobby. What is that? What you eating?
That sandwich is in there.
Oh, okay. I thought it was something else. Sorry. Dang, that's the end. Isn't this a little something to start an early Father's Day? A sneezer, Dad. Yep. Sneezer Dad to start the Father's Day.